Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today. How this market treats us. Yeah, the market is looking good yet. Like SPY, I wouldn't say it's popping up too much, though it's 0.49% higher than previous close, but it's still not back to all-time highs. It's just like SPY is looking healthy. That's the way to say it. So yeah, how are you doing, Marie, today?
I am doing well. Oops, I know horses sneeze. But I'm doing well. It's a nice Monday.
Yes.
Not too cold.
Not too cold, yeah. That's what I see.
Exactly. And you, how are you doing, Davey?
Good. Yeah.
Okay. It's a good Monday. Okay. There's really something.
With your
And
charts?
oh wait, I want to say, so I guess that today, with the look that we have here, we're supporting Movember.
Yes, we are supporting November. That's for sure.
Very good cause.
Yes, very good cause, I guess. I guess we can say that. Yeah, I read a bit on it actually because I was kind of an ignorant on it, but like I took little time to read what it is about and how. Yes, for sure, I'm on board. So yeah, it's yeah, very important things.
I think so too.
So
Good job on supporting. It looks good.
I like it, so it's looking. I look a little bit older, but it's okay.
Absolutely, you do. But hey, that's a many faces of David Chico.
Yeah, for sure. Like it's how is in English? How is called this little animal that camouflage a lot and is able to change
A gecko.
a gecko?
I see a gecko. Yeah,
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
a gecko.
in Spanish it's a camaleon.
Chameleon. Yeah, we've
It's a
got that
chameleon?
too. Yes.
Okay, so it's that's one I was thinking about. It's like oof, this guy just switched his face
Absolutely, love it.
to a biker from a biker to. It's but yeah, it's good. I
Yeah,
have
I
no
like
problem
that.
with that. I have no
Yeah.
stress about it. I kind of enjoy those things lately.
Absolutely.
I
It's
remember.
nice.
That's why I cannot get too much into Halloween things or into camouflaging things because I will be having too much fun with that. So
Well, there's not an issue with that.
so
Well, if we just want to,
yes,
because
yes,
right now I know the market's going to open, but like SPY right now, the orders that are on tape, just crazy. And everything is way above. So we've got the bell, we've got a mixed chart, a mixed sector map that's got red, we got green, most things are right in the middle. We've got SPY that's pulling back a lot right now. Oof. Oh yeah, I remember.
So I have an order for. Well, I didn't have an order. I just add to Rigetti,
Okay.
and let's see if we want to go to 42.83. RGTI. So that's the only trade I had for now. Though I had it for such a long time, so I'm not too surprised about it. It's just like
Okay.
was an easy trade that was there. So we are doing good on that one. I guess just printing right away. But like I have no much things to trade. CFR. I don't know if you have that one.
Yep. CIFR.
Yeah.
It's number one. Number one RVol, number one volume.
Yeah, I had that and I did the levels for that one too. So I'm breaking even in this trade because it's like this. Let's see. I don't want to pay too much attention. It just looks like not that good right now. So I have this trade on Rigetti. Let's go back to the 1 minute. There we go. Oh yeah, you can do anything from there. So I have another like CIFR. I can take a trade on that one if I want.
Mm-hmm.
No, I cannot take a trade yet. Okay, so it says the opposite size. Holy crap! Why do I have the alarm for that? Delta Airline is along now apparently.
Okay.
So
So SPY right now interacting with the VWAP as well as the 50.
I just gonna take a little partial on RGTI. And let's leave the rest for whatever he wants to do. Though I should be going like kind of long around there probably.
Mm-hmm.
So Irene, I've missed the short on Irene. Let's take
Yeah, I
a
was gonna go in Irene, and then I said, I did remember the consolidation period that was quite heavy, and I said, oh, do I really want to? Because when it consolidates solid.
So I'm trying to add to Rigetti. I have a very clear price where I want to add. He doesn't want to add. It's just tanking. This market is just going crazy right now.
Yeah, SPY went through.
Right?
The VWAP went through the 50 EMA, pulling back to the 200.
All right.
All right.
All right, my friend. So we're gonna be very diligent on Rigetti, and we're gonna be all out right there. And we're gonna go the other way, my guy. But the other way, we're gonna go smaller because I don't wanna see it doing crazy things. So, yeah, if we print, I'm trying to go long right now. I went out of the short there. Let's see if they don't want to print.
Market now interacting with the 200.
PLTR short. Okay, wait for probably have something better. Yeah, let's try PLTR short. Right, PLTR short. We are PLTR short right now. Why? Because it's the right thing to do.
Yep.
There we go. We got Rigetti as well. Rigetti, no holding that good. But in Rigetti, I went smaller with the short than with the long. Why? Because I think it's a down move. So I add, yeah, okay, so let's see. It's looking weird. Okay, Rigetti, I tightened the stop loss. It's just not looking that good. I got myself out of Rigetti. And yeah, it's just not looking that good. Oh, this is a defense name. So I decided to add a little bit more to the short on PLTR.
Okay.
But right now I remember this is a defense name, so I probably gonna be wrong on that one, but yeah, almost for sure. Okay, there we go. Let's see. If I am not wrong, it's gonna be okay. Just the whole market is really going. What SPY? Yeah, SPY is tanking. So yeah, that tape is a little bit bearish. So
For which
mix
one?
for PLTR. It has a little bit of bullishness too, but like maybe it's the wrong trade, as I say. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna get out. This guy may got the mic.
Who?
Who do you think?
Yeah.
Let's see. VIX 1736. Let's just watch out for that one.
S&P manufactured PMI at 945.
Thank you. Yeah, it's true. I haven't checked the news.
If it's coming. Of course, right? But the government's still shut down.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna check that out right now. Yeah, there's supposed to be a lot of data coming out
Mm-hmm.
between 9:45 and 10.
Beginning of the month, right?
Yes,
To
yes.
start, but like you say though, it could be not. Look at SPY.
Well, people, turn on those machines. So I'm gonna stay quiet with PLTR, but that's not the right thing to do. So it's not that I did it already. So it's whatever I did there is it's not the best idea. So yeah, the bid is kind of weak, but oh, that's why I cannot see much there. All right,
Okay,
it's okay.
let's go.
Do you know what is pyramiding in trading?
I heard the term before.
Mm-hmm.
If you talk to me, it could be familiar.
Like you got profit in one trade, and you risk that profit on top of another trade just to handle it with whatever you want to do with it. Like normally bigger potential,
Okay.
but and that's just like I am like yes I'm doing that, but even that I'm doing it wrong-ish. So I'm gonna have to be very patient here. But I did that on PLTR, but I kind of don't like to do that. Especially like, yes, last week was good, but like, it's still like a little bit uncomfortable. So, but what I'm talking about here, like let's say, I'm trying to see why I don't see the size on PLTR. And like when I check, is that the other level is so low that I have to go in a 15-minute chart to be able to see it.
Oh.
So if you lose 204, it has, and take this with a big chunk of salt, like don't believe that this is gonna ever happen.
A big crystal.
But like, that's why I'm kind of doing the pyramiding thing here now, but like with more certainty, but it's still like not the right way because I didn't get the best price. So, but this thing is saying that PLTR can go easily to 189. So let's say if we go to 190, that just
Wow.
is decent enough. So, but like, I don't know, like. What do you have, Mary?
I had, I still have CEF.
You're long or short?
I was short.
Because I have a clear level on that one. Oh, like yeah. Okay, yeah. I don't want
But
to
now the
influence you
tape
too
is
much.
flipping here.
Yeah, like the level I have here, you see, it broke it, and I tried to get the fill up in there, but like I thought it wasn't going to go, but then it went. Oh no, it didn't go. At 9, it didn't go. The level I have is at 2192. So I say if you hold 2192, it's a long. But yeah. Don't listen to this guy. I've been wrong.
No. It's like I saw the top, like for me at 23.90.
Mm-hmm.
At 24, when it turned back, I said, "Ooh, okay, this looks good." The T flip, we had big volumes down to 21.
Mm-hmm.
So now though, it went through the 50, but did not cross the VWAP or 200.
Mm-hmm.
So a little concern there. I'm looking at the tape. 2350 seems to be big, so it could come back down. I wouldn't like it to go to 24. Now the market seems to be, well, SPY seems to be in a little bit of a consolidation period there. It's been, but we still seem to have, like the RSI is just to the floor here.
Yeah, and like,
SPY.
what I don't like about SPY right now is that it is at that price that it's interacting with is very close to the 200 moving average in the 5-minute.
Mm-hmm.
And like with that type of sell-off at the open, the fact that it didn't bounce right away, It's kind of or they are very patient, or we are more, there is more selling to come. So if there is more selling to come from there, like I have a clear level there that is at 679, 679.26.
Okay.
I know how far that looks like, but is today gonna be a pullback day? Start like, but doesn't mean it's gonna be.
Well, right now, if I'm looking at the sector map, it seems to be with the big ones, Mac 7, they seem to be green. We've got Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Meta, seems to be green. AVGO, same thing. AMD, green. Quite a pullback for everything still being green.
Let's take a quick look at RGTI.
Excuse me.
Yeah, that went down the hole quite bad.
Seems like Tesla's on fire.
Haha, I didn't see it. Now I see it, yeah. I was doing a analysis on Tesla yesterday. You know, I have that trade, like my head is really debating, do I want to still hold Tesla? Well, Tesla is kind of getting to the short for me. I have a short idea at 470 on Tesla. Holy crap. But the reason why I don't want to come out of Tesla yet is because I'm gonna wake up very soon, one of those weeks. Tesla's gonna be above 500 and I want to be there.
Well, you've been calling that for a while, right? So
A bit.
the 500.
Yeah,
Hey, we got a bet on
We
it.
got a bet on the 1,000 is that we got a bet. So I put it in writing, even that one. So hey, my hair is growing up so fast. That's pretty cool.
Right?
Yeah. But now that I have hair, you can appreciate how less is in the top compared to what is in here. But it's okay. We're gonna take it easy. All right, PLTR are gonna go to two.
And we know it's not because you wear hats. So.
No, because I don't wear hat very often. So
No.
lately, yes, I have been wearing it more. But like for
It's
example,
kind of cold.
my dad have been wearing a hat the whole life. My dad wear hats very often.
All the time, yeah.
Like about 90% of the time, probably, or 80.
Oh, wow.
And he doesn't lose hair.
Excuse me.
But there we go, PLTR. Show me what you have under the hood. As I say, I know that trade on PLTR is saying prudency, but I'm gonna try to MacGyver it.
I love that kid.
Yeah, they are a sweetie. From what I have here.
It's my oldest grandson. Happy birthday today. My husband's tomorrow. But I wished him to have a wonderful day today and thank you and love you. And you're saying, freak, at 15.
Yeah.
It's like, God, that's
No.
beautiful.
So freaking healthy. That's freaking good.
Right?
Yeah.
Just gorgeous. Both of them could be models.
I agree. Those kids are fantastic. So I want to see if when Tesla hit the 70s, the 470, he pulled back. But look at the volume on Tesla, man. Like, it's insanity there, you know? Oh my gosh. Really? Okay, Rigetti is at the low of the previous day and it's gonna break it down. So I'm gonna assume that PLTR is gonna break down too. Like below 200, that seems to be kind of trappish. Because you know, like PLTR, I say it from a long ago. It has been sleeping and blah blah blah. And out of the blue now, it put like what, $4 over the weekend, like higher. Yeah, for more than $4, about $5. So I had a very very clear short idea. It's just I didn't express it the best because my execution sucks. But look at Tesla, 470. Oh my gosh, Tesla, are you kidding me?
Are you happy with your Tesla?
It feels good for sure, and but like, yeah, let's try to be happy for other reasons, you know. And that's really have to keep working on that thing. So I think I'm gonna sell some just to buy THB, TBH. Yeah, let me text Vladdy. Why do I have to do it today? If I know what it... No, it's okay. I just said it a couple minutes ago. I want to see it when it go to 500, so it's okay. It's okay.
What did you want to do?
I wanted to tell Vladdy to partial whatever I want to buy for TBH. But TBH is not performing that well now. And if the market pull back, I can get TBH at 90 cents instead of at 115 or 110. So
that makes sense.
Hell yeah. There is a, like, it's not a gap because there is a big wick on PLTR, and that big wick is toward the pre-market low, which is 201.87. But PLTR really misbehaved there, so I'm expecting it to even break that 201.87.
Okay.
So let's see where this guy wants to go. What did the SPY do with the 200? Walk away. Oh, I just want to be right. It's not true, but it's okay. How is that trade doing,
Not
Marie?
doing well.
Doing well?
No. I keep saying, okay, 24.50, there's a big guide. The tape kept changing, but at 25, it's really, really big, and I'd like to see.
I don't know if I'm mistaken, but that seems to be blue sky. So like
Mhm.
like short in blue sky.
It's a little difficult.
You got the It's actually the one I have open. So and if we say all time, yeah, ooh, it's all time high, Mary, but like by a lot. It's all time high by about $9.
No.
Yes, the previous high before this one. If you count the one that was 6 months ago, it's only $8, which is at 16. The previous 6 month high is 15.10, but before that high, it was 15.77. So 16.10 and 15.77, and right now it's at 24.25.
Well, last week it was trading at 22.
Yeah, but I took in consideration the 6 month. So if you look at charts of 6 months,
Okay.
the previous high on that chart before the last 6 months, so at the beginning of the year, was 1543,
Okay.
and before that, it was 1577. But yeah, like your thing is right too. It's just a different time frame, like your high. But yeah, it's
Yeah, because I think it's last Wednesday it was 22.
yeah, whatever I say on it is just watch out.
Yep, I agree with you.
Baila la Macarena. Baila tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para darle alegría y cosas buenas. Baila tu cuerpo alegría Macarena. Macarena. Ay. Macarena tiene un novio que se llama Victorino.
You actually know all the words?
What was that? Oh, that's very cool. What did you say?
You know all the words?
No, not really. I only know a little section of the song.
Did you see numbers come out?
That's what I was looking for.
Mm. $48.7,
Yeah.
49.5.
Mm-hmm. You're totally dead on. And then the manufacturing new orders is 49.4, and the previous was 48.9, so it's higher. But with the market all-time high and very close to this is a liquidity provider for it to keep going the way it's going. So Marie, this is a moment where I ask that famous question all the time. Do you know? Do you have a good story, Marie? I guess that's a no. So well, in your 2 days vacations, you're gonna be able to elaborate on that one, you know?
Oh my god. Yeah, and the kids didn't even bring me some. Oh, they changed their games
Oh yeah,
from Fortnite to
Roblox.
Clash.
Clash, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah, like I did a survey, survey It's a survey, you call it? It's a poll. Like, in my channel, I ask everybody, like, how do you feel about this game? And, like, you gave them, like, a couple choices. And
Okay.
76% or 78% say it's very sweaty. Like,
Clash Royale, yeah. Very what?
like sweaty. Sweaty.
This game is very sweaty.
Like,
Hot?
like hard.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
But phone. So that was the answer. I can tell you right now what were the possible answers. Actually, I may have it here. Let's see. That's why I told her, like, I play, but like, I want to win for sure. Like, I try to win, but like, it's not something it's easy to do, you know. Yeah. So the questions were. So the one this one were the questions. Like this was the only question actually. This one and the possible answers. And the answer that was 70 something percent was the first one.
Hey, I like that. So you had a survey within your community.
Whee!
Yeah, I'm looking forward to Matthew for his birthday asked for neon strips.
Yeah, for his room.
100 feet. That moves to music,
Oh yeah. With
connects to the
mhm.
music with all those, it's all like one individual.
Yeah, and then you do like
Oh, yeah, it's supposed to. Besides, I want pictures.
it's cool how those kids, like, as they are growing and things like that, but they are still experimenting all the things that they want to experiment. You know, it's so freaking nice.
Oh, yeah, all the time, right? He was, Jonathan was in Brampton last weekend. Not this weekend, the weekend before. And won his tournament. And the parents are
As
amazing.
usual.
As usual. The parents are amazing too. So today, like who does that, right? But Jen took the day off to spend with Matthew. Matthew's off school.
Mhm.
They're gonna go have breakfast to his favorite restaurant and like,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's and that's why it shows there is like what you see in those kids is parenting. You know,
Yeah,
really good parenting.
just like yours.
So it's like in Dominican Republic we have a saying that it's like you are what you see and what you are inside your house.
Hmm.
So
That's a good saying though, right?
and that is not like it's more than a saying. Like I know it's very speculative, but at the same time, if you put it to facts, it's like it doesn't have another way to be because like it's your habitat. You know, it's like whatever you see in there, one way or the other will reflect.
Absolutely. I agree with you. I love that.
So PLTR is trying to go back up, but I have little hopes. You are still in CFR, like because now it's looking a little bit tumbling.
So SPY interacted with the VWAP at 681.10, 682.
Mm-hmm.
We found a little bounce, but there's definitely some, it's a weak RSI. I guess with the numbers that we got there, they weren't welcomed.
they were like, I didn't see those numbers as a bad thing, you know.
A little lower, right?
Yeah, but like not by a lot. So like some of them are a little bit higher actually. I gonna double check that. Yeah, like the ISM manufacturing PMI was only 8 tickets, 8 points away. So consensus was 49.5. It came out 48.7. So that's not horrible. Uh, Manufacturing employment is higher. So the previous was 45.3. The actual was 46. New orders 61.7. That one came out way lower, 58.0. Total house debt 8.39 trillion. Oh my god. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, job market must be absolutely terrible right now, right? With all the layoffs, all the big companies that are laying off. Like it's great for their bottom line for the companies, but we are talking hundreds of thousands of jobs that are being cut right now because of technology, AI being a big one, right? With the
Yeah, Amazon doing spectacular in that one.
Well, there's Amazon, there's Google's, there's Apple, there's everyone seems to be Amazon definitely a big one, but they all seem to be cutting off on their and now even the government is shut down, but only not only that it's shut down, but it's cutting a lot on its
Yeah, I see. He said that he won't open unless the Democrats give up.
well, he's saving tons of money, right, every day on salary.
That's a way to see it.
That's the way he sees it. He's had a couple of interviews that he was saying, well, yeah, but mm,
I don't know if it's true. I also look at, it was a Google suggestion that say that yes, Amazon cut off this and that, but they donate like $1 million, but like $1 million is nothing for them. So to but they donate $1 million to the BOA, like the thing that Trump is.
the ballroom?
Yeah. So
That's so cool of them to care about all the gold in there. I like.
yeah.
I did not hear that.
Yeah, like
That makes me a little sad, but that's okay.
because it was like just a Google suggestion, like from yeah, and it's like some of those things are not even made by people. I think some of those articles. So I have a lot of skepticism about it, but I did read it. Yeah, so, didn't check the source. That's the way to say it.
Okay.
It was just one of those killing time activity for like 3 minutes. Baila tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para darle alegría y cosa buena. So the way that PLTR is behaving with the 204 is telling me that right now that level is not being respected at all. In either way, it's looking more short than long,
Okay.
but it's I'm gonna hold it there and I'm gonna be skeptical until you prove me wrong. But like SPY is reacting to the PCL, but look by how much it pierced the PCL. So like if PLTR, and this is something that we see every day more and more, like if PLTR is as strong as it's supposed to be or as it was showing, why it is not going higher now that the SPY is going higher? So like we see always this discrepancy more and more that equities are going down while the index is going up and backward. We have repeat. It's like actually we should record ourselves to say just that
Rinse, repeat.
instead of yeah. Baila tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, tu cuerpo para darle alegría y cosa buena. Baila tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, Macarena.
Ajá.
Ay. Macarena tiene un novio que se llama Victorino. I'll be back right away. It's getting cold here. My feet are cold.
It is a little bit.
All right, we are back. Please don't go. The only stock that is looking bullish right now, like, and I can show you here in the list. Like, if you see, this is my watch list. Things that I am looking when I am not day trading. Everything is going down. You see, like or sideways,
Except
except Tesla.
PLTI.
This is Tesla. No, PLTR is also down. PLTR. This is PLTR. It's not red yet,
Okay.
but it's not looking. It's not like if you see the dot, is where the price is. So it came from higher to lower, but everything is like even if they gap up overnight, it's from higher to lower. The only one that is from lower to high is Tesla.
That's it.
But it's also like Tesla is easing up a bit. Like at the level that Tesla is, it is a clear short to me. I just don't like. It's like I don't want to short Tesla. Especially it's a $400 ticket, almost 500. So like, what I can get out of it is not that much right now. And I won't put any stress on a trade. I won't contribute to the downside on that one, you know. But what I'm saying is, like, you see everything like Tesla last week, market was bleeding, market was going to crap. No, the opposite. The market was bullish and blah blah blah.
Bullish.
Tesla went down like $20. So today the market is going down and Tesla is going back up. So it's really you feel the division even in how divided it is, even in the market. You know, it's like everybody's pulling to their sides. It's like. And I was thinking, like, is this some sector rotation thing? I'm like, I haven't done my homework on that one also, but like, it could be sector rotation. It's just like we really have to dig on to be able to say that, and like, I haven't done that as I say. But like, look at my levels. Like, I mean, none of them have been activated. Well, right now, flashing PayPal is flashing right now. Oh yeah, PayPal is a clear. A loan probably.
Okay.
So, but really, do I want to go long? Yeah, PayPal is right there. Do I really want to go long PayPal? I don't think so. Yeah, out of all the funny saying that I know or that I have ever heard, like that's why I kind of try to identify in the market, like in general, what is the longevity of the move, and like the thing my guy Zach that was telling me last week when we had a talk, like that most of the people don't focus into getting the better, the very bottom or the very top of things because it's too hard to do.
Mm-hmm.
Like I for sure, I would like to do that. Everybody would like to do that because that's the best to do. But like what I like about knowing that, if ever I know it, like I think we get it in some stocks, is that you don't give much leeway to a trade in the opposite direction of what is being favored. Like, and that's why I call that the longevity of the trade. Like for example, you see PLTR that have came up a couple times toward the upside, and like with very very heavy volume, but it keep getting slammed down even if it's looking very bullish. I agree, like that PLTR really looks bullish right now. PLTR because it's not easing up, it's not giving it away that easy. But you only have to like one of the two participants only have to ease up in the pedal, and then you have the real move.
Mm-hmm.
And like you see that line at 204.11. If it was really bullish, it shouldn't be trading below there. Though right now I should be going back and check that level again because it probably will look distinct right now. And something else is that if they let it fall from there, the fall is a little bit too high, from too high.
You think so?
Yeah, yeah. Like if it fall from there, we are talking about at least $5 below. So I understand that they have to do an extra effort, but will they win? That's the question there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it's really PLTR in the 200s. My God, look at Tesla. Wow.
Did it keep breaking?
Yeah, it broke to 475, almost 474.50.
Mm-hmm.
It pulled back, but still.
And I have this the problem for everything I was trading was kind of the same. Yeah, like looking here. Like this is PLTR.
Mm-hmm.
You see that level that is right there? And that's why I have to keep watching out. Like that line got moved. So I put the level now at 204.11. That was pre-market. Well, it built up to 206. And that's why I say like, but if you see there is nothing holding there. Do you see that straight line here?
There's
Until
nothing.
where? Until 189.
That seems fire.
But like everything is like that. Like look at SPY. The same thing. SPY. Let's see. Come on. Move. There is nothing holding there.
Look at that.
It came from here to here. So
Wow.
look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA is even wider. From 212, look at that. I have the opposite sample. Like for example, if I show you Delta is different, but like I just want to, yeah, if you see Delta is right here. So in Delta there is a lot of interaction. Delta is right there. Delta could be a good long, but it's very trappy. It's like trapping to 20
Some
cents.
levels, yeah.
You have those names 20 cents maximum 50 cents, not even 50 cents, 30 cents maximum, and you have others that are $20. So are they too high? Yeah, for sure they are too high. Does that mean that they couldn't go higher? No, at all. Like, I mean,
No.
yeah, I think I'm gonna say it, but I won't bet on this one because it's very sketchy right now. But I think SPY want to go to 700 before the end of the year. It's,
Well, no, the bet is 1,000.
no, 1,000 is for Tesla.
Oh, yeah, it's Tesla. That's right. That's
Yeah.
right. Holy Davy.
Yeah, and I might be wrong, for Tesla, because it have been lasting so long in there. Look at Rigetti. Like, this is why I like. Normally, the first expression of the trade is the valid one. Like, I supposed to be going long, and I went long here. I went long, but I didn't let it go far. And more than that, I even it was just like less than half of the share size that I have from here.
Okay.
So, but I went short here, add to the short, partial, all out here. Then I went long here, get out because it doesn't look like if it wants to hold. But like, look, I short this at 44.53. It's
Wow.
at 39.41.
God.
So, did I expect this move to happen? No,
No.
at all. Like, this market was
No.
not looking that bad. So, do I think that my PLTR can go to my target? Probably yes. But somebody hold on to the horses for Tesla because holy crap, Tesla. Look at that thing.
That's insane.
Nvidia is not tradable for me right now because I'm gonna show you here. So if we look in the 5-minute here, Nvidia is not high enough and it's not showing intentions of selling. So I only have two levels on Nvidia that matter to me:
Which one?
212
Mm-hmm.
and 195.
Oof. Wow.
Yeah, if you look what have been happening in between, a lot of chopped up. So
That's a big window.
yeah. Well, I don't know if you remember, I said that all of them, even PLTR, is like that. They are all like that. The difference is the PLTR was at the top of the range, and that's why I am shorting. And yeah, that's a good explanation. This is a video that if ever we decide to grow up the channel, this is something I can share. Like, what do I have as a level that I did work out? Like, for example, for Nvidia, I have those two levels. Why I don't take a long or I don't take a short? Well, because it's not at the at any of the extremes. But like, why did I do PLTR short? Because it is at extreme. So, and yeah, do I expect it to go all the way down here? Probably no. Like, yeah, it shouldn't go too low, but we're gonna let it do whatever it wants to do without limiting the move. Why? Because we took Rigetti. Why we took Rigetti? RGTI. We took Rigetti because it was at the top of the range, and like this have so much value because, like, for example, look how wide is the range. Like, it's a $44 stock, and I have almost $2 range on it. So, and it went, like, I shorted at the top. What it went to the bottom, but it broke the bottom, and it keep going down and keep going down. And Zach told us Friday, like, Zach say, you have insider here, freaking out, liquidating their share size, their shares, because apparently people went a little bit too bullish on it. And look at that. Like, how does that look when you look at it? Like as a short. Like, I mean,
Yep.
is this a healthy pullback? I don't think so anymore. You know, like whole 4280, and I probably believe he say yes, but like where it is right now, and Spy, what is Spy doing? Like again, the same level on Spy. Look how far it is, and where it's gonna go right now. Well, it's very close to my bottom level, so well, that will put limitations on my trade on PLTR. So oh my gosh. How is your yeah, printing now, I guess, right?
Well, I did the
CRFR.
Marie trade upside down,
Yeah.
so I was able to add at 25.
Oh yeah, that definitely looks like.
So I was able to add at 25, but being de-risking and adding and bettering my price. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with how that is going to be turning out.
Well, like I can share. Like, is it juicy if you get to 21? That's a level that has relevant for today. 21 and 21.92.
Okay. Yeah, right now at the 200, slowing down a little bit, the sellers, because they're saying, hey, come on.
Look at Spy, man. Spy is really, really, really going down.
Like the numbers, like I remember at the beginning of the,
Was the talking there?
at the beginning of our show, I said the numbers on Spy were ginormous. And
Oh,
they
yeah, I
still are. The numbers on Spy right now, and they're still there. Look at the tape in INET. We still have lots, and it's, you know, like usually Spy is lots of 40.
Yeah.
Here it's everywhere 100, 100, 100, 100. It's really, really different to see that.
Oh, let's just take a picture of this thing.
What are you taking a picture of?
Yeah, the shorts, like I just shared with my friends on the group. Why were you so short of your shorts today? it's not a judgmental or anything. It's actually a question
It's
because
just a question that
I
you're
think you
asking.
were right, like dead on. It's just like probably you had different reasons why.
Correct. So for me, what I saw is that I saw that most of the stock they were way above the PCL for one. For two, I saw that most of the stock had a very high RSI.
Okay.
So with the IRSI and a very big gap on the PCL, so when you're looking at SPY and its RSI being so high, I'd say, oof, and the PCL being so low, just, you know what, there's so many setups like that everywhere. So there should be and everything, like, you know, not only the PCL, but they're above the VWAP, above the 200, above the 50 EMA. And so, it could be healthy to have a pullback. Then you look at the tape and the big positions that were there on SPY. Wow, it looks like we're looking at somebody wants to be taking some moolah here.
Yeah.
But we were in a little bit in a hurry, so I just went through my list and the top, you know, very quickly, just like it was almost like a Polaroid picture of just seeing, okay, is it all the same setup? And all like the top volumes that were there and the top Arval that were there had the same setup.
So basically, because everything has such a similar setup, your thinking or your reflection in there is that the setup was going to be forced in the overall picture of it because it was so similar in all of them.
Yes. So I'm thinking, is all the stock
everybody thinks
is
the
getting
same-
to the top, and you see the tape, and there's a lot of big, and it just goes like that. So what I did was just click, same, click, same, click, same. And you do 5 or 6, and you say, okay, well, you know
That's
what,
why
everything
she's the
else
boss,
is-
you know?
Oh, God.
That's
Yeah.
why she's the boss.
So that's why that even, you're so funny, even though the
I know.
even though the CIFR looked bullish because it was the same setup as SPY. So, okay, yes, it's blue sky, but when we're looking at the tape, yes, big, but toppy. Again, toppy. So, why are you laughing at me?
I remember I used to hate reading, you know, at some point. Well, hate reading. I didn't like reading.
You
But I-
ain't reading what?
I
The
was
tape?
I was like a teenager. I was probably 12, between 12 to 14 years old,
Okay.
and I just wasn't good at that. Yeah. So one time I get punished by school. The school say, "Oh, if you wanna come back, you have to read this book, and you have to do an exposition and like talk about everybody." Man, like I memorized the book by like word by word. Like I memorized the whole book. So the whole book, you know, as much
Wow.
as human being we can memorize from it, but it was so fresh like that when I got school back, and I was telling everybody the story of the book, it was like draw dropping,
Oh, well.
and the teacher, instead of talking about anything else, like about the book and thing, he said, well, what happened is that sometimes we expand, like, you know, it was very judgmental. Like, I mean, when you really have the intention of it, we as humans have the skill of expanding, like, that much. So, like, it was amazing. But, you know, and like, after that, like, I got hooked to reading.
I was going to say, that's where you
So-
found your love for books.
But I just
Exactly.
remember the expression of everybody, like, hell, like, what just happened here, you know?
Passion.
Like, I always
Yeah.
was like a decent student. Like, it's not like if I was a donkey or something like that, but just the fact that I took the time to really, it's like, oof, who the heck is this guy?
Okay, so
So-
that's the woman that I need to smack.
No, it was a man, actually.
Oh, that's the
Yeah.
man I need to smack. I'm kidding.
Oh, no. What he said to me was a very nice compliment. I appreciate, and that guy was very nice.
No,
like,
no,
I mean-
like he's the guy that created that intense
Okay.
love for reading and knowledge.
Let's mute the boss for a little bit,
He's the guy that created that movie.
But yeah, so
I love that.
it's just like yeah. I read a bunch of crap and yeah, just that like and what is going on with you, Marie? Is that like you see Marie talking now? Like we went on vacations in July and like we took a couple weeks off and like she said that she had the time to read and she was reading and things like that. Well, now she's calling things from the tape that makes a lot of sense, but I didn't know, and like she's trading like a freaking pro. So it's all like, and that's why like I remember Carlos from Variable Trader. He's saying like at some point, if you are very bad at trading, just make sure that you have a survival plan. If you're able to survive a couple years, one day you're gonna get it. It's like you're gonna be less bad and less bad, and you're gonna memorize little by little,
Yeah.
and like
Better. So the translation of less bad, better and better.
yeah, yeah. Well, what happens is that you can be profitable and still sucks at it, Like, I know people that like I just don't know how they make that much money, but like, it's not judgmental. Like I have took the time because I see how much money they make, and I have took the time to analyze their trades, and I say, hell man, but like that trade moved 10 cents against about in your favor or maximum $1, and you're making that much. It's like there is no longevity of the trade. So, but like there are traders that are scalpers like that. That's what they do. Like that's what they do good.
Absolutely. Hey, you know what? That's still
And like, what is my Achilles heel? Like whatever thing like is that I'm really bad at scalping.
Well, I don't know if you're bad at scalping. I just don't think that you enjoy scalping.
It's
You don't enjoy scalping. Like, it's really not aligned with you. Like, for you, it's almost like when you scalp, it's almost like it's cheating.
yeah.
Like,
yeah.
I feel it from you that it's like, yeah, okay, I had a good.
Is this
I
comfort?
might have 25 hours there, but yeah, it was just a scalp. Type deal. So
Yeah,
I don't
it feels
think,
like that.
Yeah, I don't think that you enjoy scalping.
But you are in between there because you don't scalp. Like you scalp, but
Oh,
don't.
sometimes I will.
Yeah, it's
but
like-
it's just like, yeah, no. Most of the times I try not to. But
That's
thank
a
you,
big.
Davey, for noticing the change. I really appreciate that.
Oh, thanks to yourself. Like you are putting the job. Yeah, it's Spy did a very nice bounce right there, which I kind of don't like because it's alone, it's in low volume, so oh my gosh.
Oh, PLTR, I think earning today.
That's a good thing to know. That oh man, that's why it's so strong. And do I know that? Did I know that it was getting clash? Let's see. Yes, earnings today.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, PLTR has half earnings today.
After the bell.
Mm-hmm.
What was your level for CIFR? You said 2190?
I'm gonna tell you right now.
If I remember correctly, you said 2190.
Yes, look at the bounce from there.
And look at 2190.
But it pierced it by too much, so now it puked to. It's gonna have to go to 21, I think.
Yeah. So 2190, huge position right there as a buy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So we'll see how that goes.
The reason why I don't think it's gonna be respect is because it pierced it by too much. It pierced it by 50 cents about.
Mm-hmm. Almost.
So I might be killing people with the like so loud. I keep forgetting that the mic was that close. At some point we're gonna get a mic for Marie and a mic for me, so we're gonna have individual things. So yeah, look at the 90, 21, 90, 92 holding by the penny.
Mm-hmm.
Just like don't take a loss from there because that's a very technical level there. You can see how it pierced it a couple times, but like once it go below,
it slows down there.
Once it go below, I will be expecting it to be a level of resistance toward the upside. If ever it go below for good. Because right now, we have been just grabbing liquidity right below there, below there. But that candle is a little bit too big, the candle that we previously see at around 1036 right here. Look at the volume here.
Yeah.
Massive volume. So,
right.
I just see in the news channel that I had that Trump is gonna send troops to Nigeria if they don't stop killing, something like that. So, yeah, I didn't check the whole news. That's just a whatever I was able to see. So,
yeah, sad.
Yeah.
So let's have troops in Nigeria, but not in Ukraine. Something's going to come out of there. That won't be pretty.
SPY crossing the PCL now is probably gonna get under stress one more time because you have the volume right on top of that. It's
682.80.
yeah, 682.40 was the biggest execution.
Okay, 682.80 on the tape right now is the biggest one, and that's the PCL. That's the VWAP. Sorry about that. SPY at the PCL.
Maria, I'm gonna take a little break. Do you agree?
I agree, fully agree.
So we're gonna be back on a bit. This tray, I don't have to look at it. Let's let it do whatever it wants to do. So we're gonna be back in a bit. See you then. Bye. Oh, no bye. We are coming back soon. All right, we're back. Baby, come back, come back. All right, everybody. I have done well today on trading. I'm gonna walk you through. I still have my trade on PLTR. I would like to hold this trade for like I am breaking even actually. I would like to hold PLTR for the afternoon, though it might be a bad idea. So I will ponderate if I want to liquidate before I stand up from my office or not. But right now, I'm just gonna hold it and see what it wants to do. And like, if you get me out, they're gonna be okay, and then I will be looking for another trade. But in general, I took a good trade, not a big trade, but it was a good trade on RGTI. And like, of course, I keep typing the wrong RGTI. So yeah. So if you see, I shorted here. I came all the way out here. I give it a shot to the little long here, but it never worked. You know, I got out even prematurely here, which was the right thing to do, you know. Like, I mean, I say, well, if you don't hold by the penny, I don't want to be there. So I just tank all the way. So unfortunately, I was not willing. Like, I didn't expect the market or the overall stocks to pull back down that much. So, but that was a good short on Rigetti. And I kind of have a similar trade on PLTR. But I have many odds against me here, which is PLTR is reporting earnings today. PLTR have been strongish. Like, I mean, it's like it's not really wanting to go down. Like, yes, it came down to 201. I can see the seller, no, the buyer at 20200, and there was a buyer at 201, and I actually can see one at 200. Like, there is a buyer that has a 186 lot at 200. So will we go to 200? I think the answer to that is a yes, but due to the fact that we are reporting earnings today, then the market is already recuperating back from whatever it went down. I will probably assume that I am wrong, but I'm breaking even. I have no risk on that trade, and yeah, we are green for now. Let's see what happened. Last week was good. I'm just giving me leeway for if this thing wants to go to 190, which is crazy, but like we will see. Like, probably with the earning report, that will be the best entry if it's a company that you believe on. But it's not a financial advice. It's just like this thing is really wide range. Like, it's really gapish. So either way, so up or down. So that's it for me on that one. As I said, we are green, and we're gonna let's see whatever it wants to do. So I know Marie was trading CIFR. Did you trade anything else?
Yeah, I did take a small trade in Wolf.
Okay, which one you want to begin with?
Well, yeah, CIFR. We can start with that one. I'm still in that one, and that's a mistake because I switched my position. So this was a great Marie trade for a while because I went short, but I went short always front running it way too much actually. But I front run the short. I started to be short at 23.60. I was able to hold and de-risk my trade on the tops and pulls back. Then finally, I added at 25.10, which was a great add there. Added then at 25 again, and I was able to take a couple of partials going back down. I took a partial at 23, took a partial at 22.50, took another partial. So taking lots and lots of partial going on back down. My mistake is that we saw a level at 21.90. And from that 21.90, you can see at about 10:35 the pop going back and really respecting that 22.90. So I said, well, you know what? It's a strong level. I switched my position to go long at 21.60. So I was able to take, so I took actually two partials on the long, but now I'm still holding the long. And that's a mistake because it did pull back. Right now though, it's at the lowest of the low. So we'll see where it gets, and we're seeing the RSI. I'm hoping we're going to have a reversal there, but that was a hold way too low right now. Great, so I was good on the reversal, good on the pullback, but the pullback to really still believe that it could be going long, and that 21.90 as a super strong level. We were talking, and we're, so But I still believe that it should be a pop from there when I'm looking at the RSI being at the lowest there. So we'll see what's going to happen there. If there is a push from that level and SPY is pushing up, I don't think that this stock is correlated though. But this ticket is correlated, but we'll see. If not, well, yeah, it's going to be a red day. If not, it's going to be a green day.
Okay. What about Wolf?
So Wolf was green, but I got out of Wolf. So Wolf for me was a short. So I took the short at 16.20.
Holy crap.
Yep. So I took the short at 16.20.
Holy crap, lady. We are talking about that she took that short around there.
Yeah. And guess who walked away from it? So I took a short. I took one partial, added to the short, and broke even. Well, broke even like maybe a half hour. And I walked away from it. Was that a bad walk away from? Tell me that was not a good walk away, right? So, when we keep saying, hey, we see a trade, we should stick to it.
Yeah.
That was a bad walk away. So I should have stayed with that. I didn't see it move that much.
It's actually an item on my trade analysis. It's an item, the fact that you have to be able to survive the noise.
Yep, absolutely. So, yeah, that's it for me.
Okay, so green day here for me, and
Good job.
Marie is almost green too. Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, she is green today. So she's being very nice, like by saying like pretty much she's flat or something like that.
Yeah.
If you got it, but she have a trade that may work. So, but like what is impressed to me is how like she have been able to keep her losses at a minimum, but at a minimum. When I say at a minimum, it's ridiculously small. So yeah, which is good. And then she make like 10 times that, whatever. But like yeah, so pretty cool, pretty nice trading, Marie, for you there. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. I hope you have a good one today. We got distracted because I was talking a lot. So as Marie said, like it's just like way too late.
Good.
We are half an hour later. So well, yeah.
But good conversations.
Yeah, for sure. They always have a lot of value. So I hope everybody have a good one. I hope everybody's green today, and I hope you are back in here tomorrow. Marie's not here tomorrow, right?
No.
But yeah. Bye.